Hello students, in today's lecture we will understand how to declare structure variable. We can declare a variable for the structure so that we can access the member of the structure easily. There are two ways to declare structure variable. First way is by struct keyword within main function. Second way is by declaring a variable at the time of defining the structure. Program 1. We have defined a structure for an entity employee. Structure members are ID, name and salary. Now, in the main function, we have declared two structure variables, E1 and E2. E1 and E2 can be used to access the value stored in the structure. E1.id equal to 101. So dot is used to access ID member of E1. So 101 is stored in ID member of E1. Next statement, strcpy and in parenthesis E1 dot name, comma, and in double quotes RAM. So RAM is stored in name member of E1. strcpy function is used to copy the string. Similarly, e2.id equal to 102. So 102 is stored in ID member of E2. Next statement, strcpy and in parenthesis e2 dot name, comma, and in double quotes Sham. So Sham is stored in name member of E2. Printf statement print details for employee 1. Printf statement print e1.id is 101 and name is Ram. Detail for employee 2. Next printf statement print e2.id is 102 and e2.name is Sham. Here is the output. Program 2. We have defined a structure for an entity employee. Structure members are ID, name and salary. We have also declared structure variables E1 and E2 and then semicolon. Now in the main function E1.id is 101. So dot is used to access ID member of E1. So 101 is stored in ID member of E1. strcpy and in parenthesis E1 dot name, comma, and in double quotes RAM. So RAM is stored in name member of E1. Similarly, E2.id equal to 102. So 102 is stored in ID member of E2. strcpy and in parenthesis E2 dot name, comma, and in double quotes Sham. So Sham is stored in name member of E2. Printf statement print details for employee 1. Printf statement print e1.id is 101 and e1.name is Ram. Now printf statement print details for employee 2. Printf e2.id is 102 and e2.name is Sham. And our program ends here. Here is the output. Details for employee 1, ID 101, name Ram. Details for employee 2, ID 102 and name Sham. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.